to make your way. I'm going to leave the area. They still static Lalapanzi here, just in this open clearing, just to the east of that link road from Elephant Walk to Rocky Road, Cappy's Heartbreak Junction. Yeah, Rob, did you copy me?
Can you guys hear the fork-tailed drongo right behind, trying to actually build a relationship?
Ready, leaving the lock of him.
It's actually calling right up on top of where the rhinos are.
Visual is 5-5, Rob.
Can you see it?
Showing
Okay. Any relationship that you think this bird would have with these animals?
Every time the rhino walks to the grass, it kicks up all the bugs. And the fork-tailed drongo will come down and get all the bugs.
Okay, that sounds about right. And what relationship would you call that?
It would be a... No, it's not mutualistic because the rhino doesn't gain anything. Only one person gains from it, so it's... Yeah, commensalism.
Okay, that sounds about right. But just so you know, with symbiotic relationships, it's not always gonna be a single relationship. At this point of time, these drongos sometimes might alarm to alert the rhinos, and if it becomes that, then it will become a mutual relationship. The same goes even for oxpeckers. It can be sort of a cleaning, happy relationship to a certain extent, but if you can also revise that to an extent where an oxpecker then starts opening up the wound, then it becomes a parasite. Okay, so just so you know, with relationships, it's not fixed on stone with symbiotic relationships. You'd have situations where it becomes mutual, it sometimes becomes parasitic. And it's also a very good one to sort of know that it can go from being mutual to be a commensal, and it can leave from there to be a parasitic one.
What would you say? How old is the baby?
You mean this rhino? I'll probably think of months. It's definitely less than a year. Maybe I would think of 3 to 4 months, something like that. It's very cute, eh?
So your runners are very relaxed with cars.